Hey guys, it's Fernanda here. So, quick and honest review on this heated eyelash curler. I am super excited about this product because I struggle to keep my lashes when I put mascara on them to keep that curl. So, this is a rapid heat up. It literally takes 20 seconds to heat up, and it's gonna make your lashes last curled a very long time. This charges with a USB-C cable, which it comes included in the box. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable, which I'm showing right here. And it's basically an electric heated lash curler. And it has two heating modes with a sensing heating silicone pad. So first you need to charge the eyelash curler. So after it doesn't show that red color, it's ready to use. So you have to press and hold the power button for about 1.5 seconds to preheat. It takes about 20 to 30 seconds, and then you choose the appropriate gear according to the thickness and length of your lashes. The green light, it's 149 Fahrenheit to 65 Celsius, and the blue light is 185 Fahrenheit to 85 Celsius. So you can choose the highest setting or the lowest setting, and you can see, guys, my lashes look super long when I use the eyelash curler. I could not believe how long they looked. I was super excited, and it was very easy to use. So here I'm just turning it off, and I'm going to put on mascara to see that final effect. But you guys, my lashes looked amazing. They were super curled from the first curling with the eyelash curler. And while using mascara, my eyelashes looked super long. And I really liked that it's not complicated at all. It heats up super fast, and you could totally see the difference in my lashes. I also really like this because I can just curl my lashes for an everyday look and not use mascara, and my lashes are gonna look super long. So guys, if you struggle to curl your lashes and overall keep the curl, this is going to make your lashes look super curled. So definitely check out this eyelash curler. I honestly really liked it.